Welcome back. Let's talk about view data and export. In order to do this, let's go ahead and add a chart. So we're going to add this stacked column chart, and I'm going to just put a few things in here. Let's drag over sales. Let's drag over region. And we can just use our region for our legend. So imagine I wanted to view this data. Right here, I can kind of see, okay, yes, the data that is being displayed here is the region data and the sum of sales. But what if I wanted to see that data? Well, all you have to do is right click here and then show as a table. Or show point as table. So when you click on that, you'll get this right here and you'll have show point as table. So now we're able to view that data. Now, what if we wanted to take this data and export it? Now, to do that, you have to come to more options, and then you would just click on export. Once you export, it's going to be in a CSV file, and you can just kind of save that data down, and we'll just show you what that looks like. So we'll just save it here, and then once you export it, it'll be right here called data, and boom, that is what that data will look like when you export it. So now you know you can export data in Power BI. Let's go back to Power BI. Let's just go here, no save. Another thing you can do here is you can either have the ability for the end users to export data, or you can take this away. How do you take this away, you say? All right, what you want to do is you want to go to File. Let's just go back to Report for now. You want to go to File. Then you want to go to your Options and Settings. Then you want to go to your Options. Once you get to your Options, you want to come down here to current file. So you see it says current file, and then you want to go to your report settings. When you go to your report settings, you have this indicator right here that says export data. Now what you can do is say allow end user to export data, or you can allow you can allow the end user to export data with current layout, or you can say don't allow the end user to export data at all. So these are some features that you can turn on or turn off, just depending on what you want your end users to be able to do and access when they're looking at your reports. Now, you should know how to view data and export data, as well as give some permissions to the data in Power BI.